Hey Guru Nation, how's everyone doing? Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bodhi and Sonic, they both thank you guys as well. So I got a question on Facebook from somebody, and this person said, "Hey Dan, how do I find remote part-time positions in clinical research?" And the answer is they don't really exist, nor do they really advertise for these things. So occasionally they do. Occasionally you're going to go on Indeed, you're going to go on LinkedIn, you're going to go on ZipRecruiter, and you're going to look for these jobs. And you just type in clinical research and scroll down until you find part-time, and then look to see if it's remote. The better way to go about it is to think big picture. Most of the time CROs and sponsors, they don't really waste their time with part-time people. If they don't want to risk hiring an employee, which by the way none of them right now in this environment consider a risk, what they do is they hire contractors, independent contractors, and essentially those are part-time, full-time, just depends on the contract. So your best bet is to forget about the CROs and the sponsors and look at the sites. And I think some of the vendors, like EDC vendors, decentralized clinical trial vendors, the smaller and newer the company, the more your opportunities are for these kind of positions, which don't come around that often. So your best bet is at the site level. And sites don't really advertise for these positions either. So what you got to do is you got to flip the script. You got to figure out, what are you going to offer sites? What can you do? I mean, what are you going to do remotely? Entry level, nobody's going to hire you remotely entry level. So what are you going to do? Well, you can set up their e-source. You can set up their e-reg. You can create source documents for them. You can negotiate their budgets for them. You can help them with their patient recruitment campaigns. You can help them with their social media profiles. You can help them with their websites. You can help with data entry if they're using eSource, because you can do that remotely. I'm thinking of how to do that with my remote worker at my site, Chloe, who's helping me set up e-regulatory, eSource. She's also helping me with some data entry stuff remotely once we start the study. So I found her, right? She didn't apply to some website, right? She did the CRC Academy. So you got to find them, and you got to figure out what it is that you can offer and map out 30 to 50 sites. The beautiful thing about remote is they don't have to be in your area, okay? The sites can be anywhere. So you can map out 100 to 1,000 sites and get your pitch down. What can you offer? I always tell you guys what sites need. 4 things: studies, more clinicians, patients, digital footprints. You can even include a 5th thing, which is eSource, e-regulatory, contracts and budgets. So the operations, anything you can do remotely within the operations. But it's all about your core competencies. What can you offer? And then developing your pitch so that you can approach. And it's a numbers game. And this is a very tough thing to do because most people, it's unconventional. Remote part-time positions don't really exist. They don't come around that often. So if you want to make it happen, you're going to have to convince the site why they should bring you on as a remote part-time employee. And more think about what you can offer and how to perfect your pitch. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.